Today I am going to start the remaining part of chapter 1, Environment of Geography. The first part is ecosystem. All things, all living things depend on their surroundings and also on each other. An ecosystem is a network of relationships between the biotic and the abiotic component in a given area. This means that all living things depend upon their surrounding and also on each other. The ecosystem is a network of relationship between the biotic. Biotic means living things and abiotic means non-living things in an given area, in a particular area. All the components in an ecosystem are linked together. It is linked together for transfer of energy and material. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, means there are many types of ecosystems are present on the earth. Some of them are rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, ocean, and even some small pond. Our next part is human-made environment. Human-made environment or man-made environment. Man-made environment are the artificially made by environment by human, means whatever on the earth is made by us is known as human-made environment. We can write in another way also. Some human-made environment means that environment which is made by the human, such as buildings, bridge, car, parks, road, car, pencil, rubber, fan, bench, etc. Our last component of environment is human environment. Human environment means the environment which is made by human, means living organism. Human depend on environment for various resources such as air, water, soil, plant, animals, metals, minerals, etc. Human modifies their environment. Modifies their environment means human change their environment to satisfy, means to fulfill their ever-growing needs. Ever-growing needs means unsatisfied needs. Now let us see how human starts modifying the environment. In the early time, human adapted themselves to their natural surroundings. Means in early time, human lived very nicely with their natural surroundings. Surrounding means whatever present on the earth. They led a simple life. They fulfilled their requirement from the nature, means they completely dependent upon nature to fulfill their requirements. Fulfill their requirements means maybe food, water, shelter, and other items. With the time, human learned to grow crops. They started domesticated animal, means rearing animal, taming animal, and led a settled life, means they make their home and live at one place. Later on, that settlement changed into villages and then many big cities. The first big change came in the history of human when wheel was invented. Now people can easily travel from one place to another place by making different type of carts. Carts means bullock cart, horse cart, etc. Then they started growing surplus food. Surplus food was produced, means they start growing large scale grains. Barter system emerged. Barter system means it is a type of trade in which people exchange items People exchange goods without using money, and trade started. Commerce also developed. Industrial revolution enable large scale production. Now, when industrial revolution exists on the earth, now large number of production things were people started making not with the help of hand but also with the help of machines. Trans- Later on, transport become faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. This the best example for this is today. During this pandemic, I am teaching you with the help of online classes. So, environment is changing because of our increasing needs, due to which we are modifying our environment. Means we are changing our environment and sometimes even destroying our natural surrounding. So, perfect balance is necessary between the natural and the human environment. Human must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Now, the chapter is finished and it is your responsibility to do the question answer. Question answer in the form of assignment I am giving you. So, write down those question answer in your homework copy of geography. Thanks.